How to use Parsec on iPhone. Want to stream your PC games on iPhone? Here's how to use Parsec step by step. So, first and foremost, go ahead and head over into the App Store on your iOS device. And then from here, head over into the search tab. So, simply click on search and then use the search bar and look for Parsec. So, you should find the Parsec client app on the results. Install the Parsec client and enable host mode so your PC can stream. Open Parsec on iPhone, select your PC from the list, and tap to connect. Adjust resolution, bandwidth, and controls. For gaming, connect a Bluetooth controller. Now you can stream your desktop or play PC games directly on your iPhone. That's it. Install, connect, and play. Parsec makes gaming on iPhone simple. Take note that the app is limitedly available on some regions, and for some countries it is not available, and that is how you can use Parsec on iPhone.